Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never. Baby, can you rock with me? Oh, baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby.
So, in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be recreating this hairstyle. I don't know if I'm gonna do a series with this. I think I am gonna do a series of recreating Pinterest hairstyles because I don't know about y'all, but I change my hairstyle at least every other day or every day out of the week. Like, I don't just keep the same hairstyle. I can't.
All right, jumping right in, I'm gonna take down this messy bun. As you guys can tell, my hair looks extremely dry, but we about to fix that, baby. Next, we're gonna go in with this spray bottle I got off of Amazon. You guys can check it out. It will be in the description down below. Next, I'm going in with YALLL and Zitty hair growth oil. You guys, I'm so excited to drop this oil. Like, I can't stress it enough. We have 2 oils coming out, by the way. I will keep you guys updated and posted. Just make sure that you subscribe. But this hair growth oil has grown my hair. Like, it's crazy. Literally in the span of just a couple weeks. Like, I've been using this really consistently for like weeks now, and my hair has grown. So it does work, and I will let you guys know when we drop. After I finish my middle part, next I'm gonna spray with water again, and then I'm gonna go over it with some eco styling gel. Now this gel as well, you can get it in your local beauty supply, but I will link it down in the description down below, so you guys can purchase it if you guys are lazy like me. Y'all don't feel like going to the beauty supply, because I be ordering everything online, child. So as you guys can tell, before I even add gel, I already start to brush my hair down with the brush just to make sure that I don't miss any lumps and stuff once I do add gel. It just makes it easier for me during the slicking process. Now y'all, these are my favorite hair ties. These don't rip your hair out. It doesn't have that little band in the middle of it. It's good elastic. These don't rip your hair out, and they last a really long time. I've been using these ponytail holders since I was like in high school, and this is another reason why my hair has grown too, because I used to do buns and stuff a lot, and I think that used to pull my hair out because of the ponytail holders I were using. So you guys should invest in these elastic ones. These are really good hair ties. Now I'm just overall making sure that I'm not missing any lumps. I'm just brushing my hair out and that it's smooth so that the bun looks slick, laid, and tamed, baby. I know that's right.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Honey, how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road.
Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna move on to the edges. So I'm just gonna brush my edges out, and I'm actually gonna show you guys. I like this one because the brush isn't as harsh. It's very soft. The comb. I like this. And then I'm gonna take them out, you guys. Like that.
Take that pussy, drop it like that. Then I want my two. Now I'm stacked with two. Look at all the cash I blew. Rippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Booties just don't shake like the sailors do. All these on the toes. Then I want my two. Now I'm stacked with two. Look at all the cash I blew. Strange new addictions, up on the road. Change my opinion, change all my flows, change my approach.
Okay, you guys, here's the edges. I'm gonna do a 360. Okay, now I'm gonna curl these little sideburns. That's what I'm gonna do. But first, let's tie down the edges. I'm gonna use my Jesus scarf. Face down. Like so. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Let's take this off. Hey. I'm gonna go up close so you guys can see when I take that off. Wow. Did you guys get a good look? Sometimes you guys too, you can over here, you have to pull some pieces out, let them hang. It's cute. This is the 360, babe.
That's what I am.
Before I end it off, let me put this oil down. Period. Yes, mi lele. On the left side. Period. Yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is the end of the video. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It will help me out in the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? The YouTube algorithm. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Period. Especially if you love this hair content, because I'm coming. I'm coming. Period. I love you guys. Bye.
Strange